Media Force, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2019 BMW 5 Series Smart Key.
What we need to be prepared for is our Lonsdor K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, BDC2 adapter, BDC2 adapter cable, 12-volt power cord, and the original car key and a smart key for BMW made by our Lonsdor. Plug in OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. BMW. Select from type. Select BDC2. Program smart key. First step to read the key date. OK. VIN code has been identified. OK. Select the backup and restore code. OK. Backup code. OBD communication has been connected to the car. Backup successful. Click OK. Now let's remove the box and connect the adapter. Connect our BDC2 adapter to the BDC2 box. Then connect our adapter cable. Then connect our 12-volt power cord. Select Generate Smart Key. Find BMW. Select the first menu of the G chassis. Put the BMW Smart Key produced by our Lonsdor in the card slot. Click Generation. Generated successfully. Return to main menu. Select IMO and remote. BMW. Select from type. Select BDC2. Program smart key. Select preprocess. OK. Note that this function requires a network connection. Click OK. The adapter has been connected successfully. Click OK. The preprocessing is complete. Now we're going to generate a new smart key. Click OK. Select Generate Working Key. OK. Select Blank Key Position. OK. Put the original car key into the card slot of the machine. Click OK. Take out the key. OK. Put another key to be generated into the card slot. OK. Generate and lock new key successfully. Please follow the following method. OK. Cancel. Load the BCD2 box back into the car. Start the vehicle with the original car key first. The original car key starts normally. We turn off the engine and take the keys out of the car. We stick the new key in the key sensing area. Press and hold the start button. Program complete. Let's try it now. Can the key drive normally? New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. New key unlock. Lock the car. The original car key unlock. Lock the car. The remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2019 BMW